She's your queen to be, a queen to...
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made them assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking liars. Thought that I should let you know. And you was talking freaky like you was gonna...
Konnichiwa, my royal queens and kings. It is your queen, Nicole The Pisces Queen. Hey. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. And if you're already subscribed, you already know you are the real MVP. In today's video, I'm going to do a voiceover because I was not planning to post this video. I was just testing out a look that still did not come out the way I wanted it. If I find a picture, I will post it here. It was supposed to be like a light shade pink to a dark pink, but even though I think I chose the right colors, that did not come out like the picture. Nevertheless, it still came out so cute. I did that look. I did that. I'm so sorry. I am so happy that it came out so cute. Pink is the color, bro. Pink, purple. Those are my colors when it comes to eyeshadow. I could wear those colors every single day. Like, I just love those colors. I just love them. They are so cute. I want to give a big shout out to China, aka Keeping Up with China is her channel name. She is the one who inspired me to do this video because I was doing a premiere of one of my videos and she told me about the bottom lashes and how to order, where to get them from, Amazon of course. But so I didn't even know they had bottom lashes and I didn't know what they was called, so she told me and I bought them hoes immediately. And in this video I am going to put them on, try them on, see how they do. And you know, I really like that look. So if you on my Facebook, then you've already seen this look. I'd be trying to wait till the video come out to post my pictures, but I'd be like, oh my god, that look came out so cute. I have to share this now. So I really did like this look, and I do want to do the look that I intended to do. I just got to figure out how to do it. Also, China taught me how to do the what you call that little thing, was like I forgot what you call it.
In the club, got them ballers on replay. Trying to break a record like a DJ. That's 150 ballers in one night. I get it, bitch, make right.
Yeah, she told me how to do the cut crease. Well, she showed me. I haven't done it yet, so we'll see how that comes out. Shout out to China, y'all go check out her channel. She is so good in her eyeshadows. I may be doing copying all the time because that girl got it going on. Got it going on, and she's beautiful. My chocolate little queen. I love it. Love it. So I was watching another lady's channel. She was eating. I can't remember her channel, but I will try to find it. And she was talking about the good times, you know, back in the day. I don't know how old most of you are, but I'm an 80s baby, so you know, the good times, the good times. She was talking about the parties that we used to go to back in the day, but I wasn't really a party girl until I got like probably until I met my husband. When I met him, then I became like a party girl, going out, talking to other people and parties. I'm not really into the party lifestyle, but it was good back then. But what I wanted to reminisce about is if anyone remember those like on the phone chat lines we used to have. I was like 18 years old and I never left the house. I was always on the phone. The chat line was like, it was like a room, like a main floor. Everybody be in there talking or whatever. Then you spread out and go to like a room. Was like a group chat. It's like room 1 through 12. And you could pick a room to get in. And some rooms were real hype. And then some rooms was like lame. I remember we used to be on that chat from like 12 to 6 a.m., 8 a.m. I don't know if it cut off at that time, but that's when everybody went to sleep because I know I was knocked out. I was like 17, 18. It was the summertime, of course. And they also had like the private, like one-on-one chat rooms. I don't know if y'all remember those chat rooms, but those were some very good times. I had met two people on there. It was my first girlfriend I met on there, and her best friend, and her best friend became my best friend. Man, we had some good times. If it was you, do you remember those chats on the phone? Not the AOL chat. That too was fun too. I used to love that. And every time I tried to get on the AOL chat, I really, really wanted to get on there. I had to wait for it to connect. Man, those are some good times. Who would have thought you missed some of those when you got older? Even though I don't miss the trying to connect when I'm trying to hurry up and get on there. I don't miss that. But I miss the phone chat, the phone chats where we used to have like group chats, and it was so much fun. People would be in there rapping and like dissing each other. We don't even know each other, but we in there having a good time. Oh, good times. Yeah, I just want to reminisce about that and ask if anybody remember that. Was you part of the group chat? Did you like entertain that? Was you one of those teenagers that was on the phone all day, chatting all night and then sleeping all day? Good times. Anyways, you guys, that's all I really want to talk about and say and reminisce about a little bit. I'll let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. Let me know what you think about the look, because I loved it. I don't know why I left that band on, but that pink came out cute with the band. So I was like, this is so cute together. I'm just leave this on. I'm going to just leave this on. But I do want to redo this look and try to perfect that light pink to fade out to the dark pink. I think that would be so cute if I could just get it right. And also do a cut crease at the same time. China, pray for me, girl, because I hope I can get it together. I really want to do it. I'm going to try until I get it. I will not give up. I will not. Anyways, you queens and kings, thank you for watching my video. If you watched it all the way through, I know it's a pretty long video, but I know that my true supporters are going to watch this whole video all the way to the end. And I really appreciate you guys. I really do. I don't say it enough, but thank y'all so much. I thank you for the support and commenting below. I really love the comments that are like funny. If I could pin everybody's comment, I would pin it, because y'all be saying the most funniest things. Y'all say the sweetest things. You make me feel so confident. And I just want to keep going on and on until I get it's so good I wear my makeup outside like all the time. Because I do my makeup just to do it. I don't do it to go outside. Well, it's too hot right now. Maybe during the wintertime I'll wear more outside. I'll be a little bit better at it, I guess. I don't know. I also need to work on my contouring because I have not gotten there yet. I'm like, but why do I need it? Why? I'll probably do it one day and see, does it make a difference? And for me, it looks good on other people, but I'd be like, I don't think I need that. I don't know. It looks good the way it is. But But yeah, that's another of my ranting, talking, venting, or whatever. So I will see you queens and kings in the next video. So we are coming to the end of the video, and just FYI, coming up is like at least 10 pictures because I was feeling myself in this and I didn't go nowhere. I just took a shower and washed it all the way. But if you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. This is an all things beauty channel, makeup, wig reviews. Coming up soon, I will be doing a wig review and a wig install, and then I will be doing another wig review with a wig install and makeup. So it's like it'll be 3 parts, excuse me, to that video. I don't want it to be too long. So if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. And if you are already subscribed, you already know you are the real MVP. Bye.
Say my name if no one is around you. Yeah, say my name, cause those other men are practice. And this ain't no time for acting, this ain't no time for games, and this ain't no time for uncertainty. This ain't no time for locking your phone and not coming home and start some shit when I'm in the zone. This is what I've been saying, no new friends, no new. You know how this shit goes, this is not 4 years ago. Time escapes me now, for
That hurt my legs.